All right, folks, welcome back. I'm just keeping you guys up to date with what's going on here. I'm pretty much laying out the graveyard. And this is what it's looking like so far. Little fine details, but we still have a ways to go. I still got to paint all the pillars. We got our grave digger here, and I still got to put like a mound of dirt here for the, right next to the grave digger. This is what the pillars are gonna look like. And these lights actually light up too as well. They light up at night. They're on what do you call it? Sensor, and they're solar. So this is what it looks like. And then you got Sally there floating around. She's looking pretty good. I'm just saying, guys, don't forget to subscribe. That'll be grateful and helpful. I'm doing this, guys, not only for myself, but also for you guys. So, and I got a how-to video coming up to show you how to build all these pillars. Stay tuned for that. Mr. Gravedigger, he's automated. He'll go on when he's plugged in and people walk by. So I'm putting a 12-foot skeleton up in the back there. That's what I'm getting prepared to do right now. So I'm just saying. People are coming by, giving me the thumbs up. So that's it. So once again, don't forget to subscribe. I'm just saying, my channel, it'd be greatly appreciated.